If counter space is precious, but fresh juice and silky smoothies are non-negotiable, this countdown will save both time and regret. By the end, there's a clear winner that doubles down on power and versatility without the usual cleanup headache. This video ranks the best juicer-blender combo options from 7 to 1, focusing on real-world use, speed, texture, noise, cleanup, and how well each unit handles leafy greens, hard produce, and ice. Let's start. 7. Cuisinart BJC-550. On paper, Cuisinart's compact blender and juice extractor combo feels like the right idea. A small footprint base with a blender cup and a centrifugal juicer attachment, simple dial control for low, high, and pulse, and dishwasher-safe parts. The base claims a 450-watt peak motor. Some retail variants list 500 watts, and the juice extractor is set up to produce about 8 to 16 ounce per run, which aligns with single-serve habits more than batch juicing. In quick tests, simple citrus and softer apples turned into bright juice at the low setting without clogging, and the 16-ounce travel cup for blending is handy for post-workout shakes on the go. With leafy greens, the extractor needed patient feeding and a steady pulse on high to avoid wet pulp waste, which is common in compact centrifugal designs at this wattage. Carrots and celery went through, but the texture had noticeable foam and required a slow, even push to prevent the basket from vibrating. Still usable, but not ideal when rushing out the door. In the blender cup, frozen fruit blends were fine with added liquid. Pure frozen cubes without liquid led to stalling, so think smoothies, not thick acai bowls. Cleanup is straightforward. The pulp container detaches easily, the sieve rinses if done immediately, and parts are dishwasher safe, which keeps maintenance bearable after weekday runs. Noise is moderate, sharper on the juicer than the blender, and the non-slip base keeps it stable, though the overall build feels more starter kit than a long-term workhorse. Number 6. NutriBullet Juicer Pro Centrifugal Juicer, NBJ-5200. This pick focuses on juicing, not blending, but it pairs well with a separate personal blender if kitchen workflows already run on NutriBullet cups. The Juicer Pro brings a 1,000-watt motor, a 3-in feed chute, 3 precision speeds, low, high, turbo, and thoughtful accessories like a 27-ounce juice pitcher with froth separator, dual-size food pusher, glass-to-go bottles, freezer trays, and a self-contained pulp basin for easier cleanup. In use, it powers through beets, carrots, and celery on turbo without bogging down, and the low speed is gentle enough to reduce foam with softer fruit blends like pear and pineapple. Leafy greens do better when rolled with cucumber or apple, and the 3 speeds help dial in extraction. But this is still a centrifugal profile that will foam more than slow masticating units. Acceptable for speed and convenience, less ideal if oxidation-sensitive juice is the priority. The included pitcher and to-go bottles streamline a week's routine, juice a batch, store neatly, and skip extra containers, which is where this system shines for weekday planning. Cleanup is genuinely quick. Sieve and pulp basin rinse well if done promptly, and most parts are dishwasher safe, so the friction point of daily juicing is reduced. 2 drawbacks stood out over time. The unit's footprint is taller than photos suggest, which matters under low cabinets, and soft berries at high speed can splatter if overfilled, making the froth separator more of a necessity than an accessory. Number 5. NutriBullet NB5 Ultra Personal Blender. While not a juicer, the Ultra excels at the smoothie half of a combo setup and pairs well with bottled or fresh-pressed juice for hybrid blends. The 1200-watt motor is NutriBullet's most powerful single-serve to date, and the redesigned rapid extractor blade with titanium coating reduces blending time and improves durability, useful when blitzing fibrous greens or seeds day after day. It's also engineered to produce lower-frequency sound, which reads as quieter in a small kitchen. Even early morning kale plus frozen mango blends didn't wake the house like bigger pitchers do. In practice, the Ultra turns frozen fruit and protein powder into a smooth drink with less stirring, and the illuminated interface is genuinely intuitive. Automated smoothie cycle for walkaway convenience, pulse when dialing in texture or breaking stubborn pockets near the blade. Tritan Renew cups are sturdy and dishwasher safe, and the included set, 32-ounce, 24-ounce, handled 24-ounce to-go lids, covers daily routines from quick shakes to larger post-workout batches. 2 caveats after extended use. Thick, spoonable smoothies require mindful liquid ratios. It's a personal blender, not a food processor, so nut butters or ultra-thick acai bowls are possible, but not this machine's sweet spot. Also, single-serve cups can't replace a true pitcher when blending for multiple people, which is why it ranks mid-list for combo needs despite excelling at single-serve performance. If the plan is to juice with a separate machine and blend fast, quietly, and reliably, NB5500 is a strong anchor for an everyday routine. Four, Breville BBL620 SIL, the Fresh and Furious. This blender isn't a juicer, but its consistency rivals bigger machines, and it's purpose-built for daily smoothies, ice crushing, and sauces with minimal fuss. Breville's Kinetics bowl and blade system folds ingredients from the top while crushing from the bottom, reducing dead zones and leaving fewer chunks in green blends and frozen recipes. The unit offers 9 task controls, 5 speeds, and 1-touch programs for smoothie, green smoothie, and auto pulse ice crush, plus an auto clean cycle that actually works. Add water and a drop of soap, and most residue lifts off the jug and blade without disassembly. In testing, it handled fibrous kale plus pineapple plus ginger with a polished texture on the green smoothie program, and its ice routine reliably produces snow-like ice suitable for frozen cocktails and summer slushes. The 50-ounce Triton jug hits the sweet spot for families, big enough for 2 to 3 servings without being cumbersome, and the assist lid makes removal easier even with condensation. Noise is controlled for its class, and the LCD timer helps repeat results once a favorite recipe hits the perfect timer mark. As a combo player, you'll still need a separate juicer for true extraction, but as a blender, it levels up smoothness and speed to the point that pairing it with a compact juicer makes more sense than buying a bulky all-in-one that compromises both tasks. For kitchens that value texture quality, speed, and cleanup above tinkering, the BBL620L is a pro-feeling daily driver. Number 3. NutriBullet NBKS5100 Triple Prep System. This is the flexible kitchen system in the lineup. A 1500 watts base that recognizes attachments and lights up the matching programs for a full-size blender, a personal blender, and a 7-cup food processor. The 64-ounce pitcher handles multi-serve smoothies, hot blends, and ice crushing. The 24-ounce and 32-ounce cups are ready for single-serve, and the processor bowl brings slicing, shredding, chopping, and dough to the same base, an elegant solution for small kitchens that need range without a tangle of cords. Performance-wise, the main pitcher moves through fibrous greens quickly. It can make a smoothie-level kale blend with minimal grit using its automated cycles, and pulse mode produces snow-like crushed ice in a single batch with only minor ice buildup under the blades. Vessel recognition is not a gimmick. It keeps the interface simple and reduces program confusion when switching between cups, pitcher, and processor. Build quality is solid, and hot blending worked reliably for soups without stressing the lid seal or fogging the pitcher in testing. Limitations show up in very thick recipes like nut butter, where the system demands more scraping and patience than pro-tier blenders. The base's plastic gear feel doesn't inspire the same confidence as all-metal drivetrains for heavy-duty jobs. Still, as a one-base solution that covers most daily prep plus on-demand smoothies, it's compelling, especially for households that don't want to store separate appliances for every task. 2. Vitamix E310. If blending perfection is non-negotiable, the E310 brings 2 HP class power, a compact 48-ounce container, and classic Vitamix control with 10 variable speeds plus pulse. Texture is where it stands apart. Silky green smoothies without stringy bits, ultra-smooth nut sauces, and hot soups blended to restaurant-level consistency in under a minute. The tamper encourages thicker blends without stalling, which means protein bowls, hummus, and frozen desserts are achievable on a weeknight timeline. The 48-ounce jug is a perfect at-home size, large enough for family smoothies, but easier to maneuver and wash than oversized pitchers, and the self-clean cycle with warm water and a drop of soap remains the fastest cleanup routine in this entire list. Build quality feels industrial. Laser-cut stainless blades, radial cooling fan, thermal protection, and a 5-year warranty on many retail packages reinforce long-term reliability. Vitamix isn't a juicer, so true juice extraction requires a separate appliance or straining. However, for juice-style smoothies using whole produce to retain fiber, nothing in this price range attacks greens and frozen fruit more consistently. For those who blend daily, meal prep on weekends, and occasionally go gourmet, the E310 is the blender that just works and keeps working. 1. Breville 3X Bluicer Pro BJB-815 BSS. This is the all-in-one most people imagine when they say best juicer blender combo, and it delivers. Blend, juice, or bluice, juice straight into the blender jug, then combine for layered flavors with minimal transfers and minimal mess. The Bluicer Pro couples Breville's Kinetics contoured blade and bowl system with an extra-wide 3.5-inch 88mm chute and cold spin technology, which Breville states minimizes heat transfer during extraction to help preserve temperature-sensitive nutrients. The 50-ounce high-capacity jug, 10 precision speeds, and 5 one-touch programs, 2 smoothie modes, ice crush, frozen cocktail, auto clean, make it versatile for weekday greens and weekend parties alike. In real use, the magic is the Bluice workflow. Juice hard produce, carrots, apples, beets, straight into the blender jug, then add frozen fruit, yogurt, or greens, and run a smoothie program for a perfectly integrated, cold, and vivid blend without swapping vessels back and forth. The Kinetics system keeps texture consistent from top to bottom, so green smoothies don't stratify as quickly, and the ice crush is aggressive enough to turn ice to snow, which matters for frozen cocktails and sorbets. The wide chute reduces prep time significantly. Whole apples and long celery stalks need minimal trimming, and the spout can route juice directly to a glass when the blender jug isn't needed. Cleanup is better than expected for a hybrid. Auto clean on the blender side works well, and the juicer parts rinse clean if handled right after a session, with included jugs and a cleaning brush, making end-to-end maintenance faster than running 2 separate machines. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.